Hi, in this tutorial, I want to demonstrate how to access your menu of building blocks and also how to build with blocks in Minecraft creative mode. So here we are in the server I've created called Camp Back Channel. And so you can see our log cabin there and a sign with some information or a wall with some information that you might read. And what I have to do is I have to move away from where I've spawned or entered the game, and once I get a few blocks away from my origin point, it will let me break or place blocks pretty much anywhere in the game. But in that space where you enter the game, it won't let you mess with anything. So here I am. I have nothing in my menu at the bottom of the screen, you can see. So I need blocks. So I find my block inventory menu by clicking E. And then you can see that there are a number of sub-menus. Here are building blocks, decoration blocks, redstone. I'll let you go ahead and explore those as you like, but for creative mode and the type of building and composition we plan to do in our server, you probably will mostly need building blocks. So let's just choose some wood, and I've chosen dark oak wood planks, and I put them down in my working menu by clicking on them and then clicking into the place I want in the working menu. So here's my working menu, and let's find one more. Let's find some glass if I wanted to place some windows. So now that I've got a few blocks in my working menu, I'll hit E or escape to leave that menu and be back playing. And then to toggle between my wood and my glass, if I hit number 1, I'm using the wood. And if I hit number 2, I'm using the glass. Then if I'd filled up the rest of the menu, I would access it by hitting 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm back to building with wood here. And the important thing to see is this X in the middle of my screen. And wherever I'm pointing that X, you can see the blocks highlighted, and it's highlighting just one surface of those blocks. And wherever I have highlighted is where it's going to place the blocks. So then I do oops, that's breaking. So I do a right click to place a block. And you'll see that if you left click, you break, and if you right click, you place. Now this is a good example because though I have my X on this block, it's not highlighting that surface, but if I move a little closer, it does. So if you're unable to place blocks, you might be too far away from the surface you're trying to attach a block to. Oops. There we go. The other thing is if you're right on top of a block, it won't let you set the block down in the space, for example here, because I'm standing in the space where I want to block. So if I back up, now I can break in place. So here we go. So again, I can switch from the wood to the glass by clicking number 2, and I can set some glass down like that. So those are the basics of accessing the menu and then placing and breaking blocks. Again, remember, a highlighted surface is where your block will place, and if you're unable to place a block, you're either too far or too close to kind of the target area where you're trying to put a block. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Please check out another YouTube video if you want more information about how to build an entire house or how to write in Minecraft. This tutorial is just to get you started. Thank you.